All right, here's probably the last video of this here. And if we need more, we'll do more. Now, what I'm going to do, like I was telling you, and if this is your main storyboard, it will be nice in your map, like if you want to select the location of the store. So what do? You simply keep clicking here, and it will add a pinpoint, and then we take that point, convert it to coordinates in the map, and then we can store it in the core data or send it to web services. Okay. So the first thing I need to do here, I need to set the delegate of this map. We don't need it, I guess. We don't need to set the delegate of this map. Okay, you just need to add an annotation to this pinpoint. All right. All right. So we need to add a gesture. Here we have some gestures. And one of them is here, you see long tab gesture. Okay, here it is, long tab gesture. So I'm going to add it and drop it in here. All right. And this gesture, we're going to connect it here. We want to add an IB action for this gesture. Okay, and it's an action. And you can make a gesture. All right. And add pin. And the duration of this gesture is 0.5, which is half a second, which is fine. All right. Now we go back to the code. You go back to the code. When you go back to the code, I'm going to copy some code that I've already done earlier. And I need to remove these things here. This is similar to the code what we've done before. All right. The first thing I need to do is that I need to know where I touched in that map view. So there is a function called location in view. Sender is the view that I'm clicking on, the map view. So it tells me where I'm clicking on that map view. All right. And I need to send it the view. After that, I can take that point and make it a coordinate. So I can call self map view convert point location to coordinate view and set the map view. So now I got my coordinates. All right. Once I do that, it has a longitude and latitude. I create the annotation, put the annotation, set the annotation point to the coordinate that I got from the map, set the title, the subtitle. Because I don't want to have multiple points, if you don't do this, you can actually add as many points as you want to. If you want to add only 1 point, you can remove this. And then basically what happens, it removes all the annotations first, then it adds your annotation. But let me just show you how to do that this way. All right. Now, if we run it, watch what's going to happen. All right. We zoomed in here. Let's just make the zoom a little bit smaller than this. Let's just make it 1, maybe 0.5, 0.5. So we're actually looking at something meaningful. All right. And now watch what happens. If we click on here, I got my point. My point is in the C somewhere, right? But if I click and keep clicking, I added a point. Keep clicking, I added another point. See? Now watch. You click, that's the store, that's the same one. But you can give it different names if you want, right? But if you're gonna keep only one, what you do, you remove all the annotations first, then you run it. And then watch. Now here, that's my store. Click here again, that one disappear, and now this one here. So I have only one annotation. So this is a very good tool. Instead of trying to guess or enter your coordinate, what you do, you use your map, find where you are in the map, and then click on your pinpoint. You get the coordinates. Now you can do anything with these coordinates. You can save them locally. You can send them to our web services. You can save it in the core data. Remember what we did with the store? And now every time you want to display that store, that location will be associated with that store. All right, that's the end of this video, and probably stop for now. If we have more videos, I will add them later on. All right, I'll see you in the next videos.